Organising as a management function. In this program, you will be introduced to the concept of organising as a key management function, which will assist you in aligning resources, both human and material, in a way that gives you the best possible outcome. The 3 modules of learning within this program will focus on planning and prioritizing tasks, one of life's most challenging skills, planning and prioritizing tasks. Planning and organizing meetings, planning and organizing effective meetings and keeping accurate records. Induction of a new team member, design an induction program to receive a new member. This program is intended for individuals who are mid-level managers who intend to formalize their knowledge and skills, as well as for individuals who aspire to become a leader, will benefit from exposure to this learning program. Work towards achieving a certificate upon completing all the learning requirements. Development stack, purpose-driven development.